Good morning students. This video is for class 6 science and today also we will continue with chemistry. So our topic of discussion will be for today will be importance of water in for sustenance of life on earth. So what is the importance of water in our life? Why do we need water? So today we will discuss about this. Not only human beings, but each and every living things require water for their survival on this earth. Plants, animals, and human beings need water for their survival. So any living things to survive on this earth, to live on this earth, they need water for their survival. All living things require water to carry out various life processes in their body. So each and every living things, they need water, they require water so that they can perform all the functions they require for survival. Even the body parts of every living things require water so that they can perform their own functions properly and make the living things survive on this earth. So let us see some of the uses of water in water. Water constitute about 70% of the human body. Animal and human being need water for their body function like digestion, respiration, transport of nutrients to cells, excretion, etc. So for human body, it is about 70% that makes up with water. That is formed with water. 70% of our human body is filled or formed with water. So each and every living thing, they need water so that they can carry out some functions in their body, like for example respiration, digestion, transfer of nutrients transfer of nutrients to each and every part of the body, to each and every cells of the body. Excretion, that means throwing out of the waste product out of your body. Each and every functions require water so that they can operate properly. Water acts as a medium to dissolve nutrients and minerals present in the food we eat. So water acts as a medium so that they can dissolve the nutrients and the minerals that is present in the food which we take in, and after dissolving the nutrients and minerals, they can carry it to each and every part of the body so that each and every part of the body, each and every cells of the body get proper and adequate nutrients and they can remain active. This helps in the easy absorption of nutrients by our body. So food contains nutrients and minerals. So when we take in food, the nutrients and minerals that is present in the food get mixed with the water and is carried to each and every part of the body. This water helps in this process. The water helps to absorb the nutrients and minerals that is present in the food which we eat. Water also dissolves waste materials produced inside the body, which are then excreted as urine. So whatever waste product we have inside our body, that get mixed in the water and it comes out of our body in the form of urine as well as sweat. Next one, water helps in maintaining and regulating body temperature through sweating. So it is the water that helps you to maintain the body temperature of your body. Now sometimes you must have affected with fever. So whenever you have fever, that means the level of water in your body goes down, and that is why the temperature of your body increases. So it is the water that helps you to maintain your body temperature, regulate your body temperature. If you have excess body temperature, when you take in water, it comes out, the temperature it falls down and it comes out in the form of sweat. So when you start sweating, the body temperature falls. So it is because of the water, the temperature of the body remains in normal condition. Next, Green plants require water during the process of photosynthesis to prepare their own food. So green plants, they need water. They need water so that they can perform the process of photosynthesis. They can prepare their own food and they can use that food for their own growth. Plants also require water to transport the prepared food from the leaves to the other parts of the seed, other parts of the plant. So, if there is no medium, food cannot be transferred from one part of the body to the other part. So, it has to have a medium so that the food prepared by the plant is transferred from one part of the body to another. So, it is the water which helps them to transfer the food that is prepared in the leaf to each and every part of the food. Even water plays a very important role in the germination of seeds. So when a seed starts growing, water plays a very important role. If there is no water, then germination of seeds cannot take place. So water plays a major role, that means a very important role in the germination of seeds. Last one. All aquatic animals and plants require water to survive as they depend on nutrients and oxygen dissolved in water. So all the plants and animals that live in the water, that live inside the water, they also need nutrients and minerals so that they can grow. They also need oxygen so that they can grow. So water helps them to give those oxygen and nutrients that are present in the water in the form of dissolved. So when oxygen and nutrients, they get dissolved in the water, and plants and animals that live inside the water, they take up this oxygen and nutrients that is dissolved in the water for their own survival. So in short, if you say, water helps you to perform all the functions of the body, water helps you to keep your body temperature normal, water helps the plants to prepare their own food, it also helps to transfer food that is prepared in the leaves to each and every part of the plant, it helps you to germinate the seeds, and lastly the water helps the plants and animals that is present inside the water to help them in survival by providing the oxygen and nutrients that is dissolved in the water. So I hope children, all of you have understood the importance of water for sustenance, for the survival of life on earth. So children, for today you keep it till here. In the next class we will start with water pollution. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.